How to access service menu on Asus LED TV and perform factory reset. The service menu is a handy aid that lets you access various troubleshooting options and extended TV settings for your device. The service menu provides access to the following settings, like factory reset or hard reset, digital tuner, enable and disable hotel mode and other features, Wi-Fi region, BT support and screen test, etc. These allow you to make major changes to the default values set in your Asus LED TV. Use the service menu with extreme caution and be thoroughly familiar with it. Our channel will not be responsible for any kind of error.
Asus TV service menu code. First of all, LED connected to the source. Menu key pressed while pressing on Asus LED TV. LED show a picture of the menu. Menu key release and press again menu key. Service menu show on your TV screen. Asus TV factory reset. After showing service menu, highlight shipping or factory reset mode. Then press right arrow button on your TV remote control. Remove all picture, videos and apps download in your TV. After little moment, your TV turn on and with a new fresh setting.